Hey everyone, this is Andrew Bosworth from DB Services, and today I'd like to show you how to integrate FileMaker with Backblaze. Backblaze is a cloud storage platform where you can store your documents, your files, and what have you on the cloud. So integrating FileMaker with Backblaze has its benefits because you can make your system more lightweight. Instead of storing all your files and PDFs, images in containers, you can store them in the cloud instead. So it'd make your FileMaker file size much smaller. Alternatively, you can also use it as a means of storing backups. So if you have important documents being stored in your FileMaker system, you can upload them to the cloud, and in the event that your FileMaker system gets corrupt, you can pull it off the cloud because you backed them up already. So without further ado, let me show you how to get this all set up. So first things first, you're going to need a Backblaze account. So I already have one set up over here for me. And the first thing you are going to want to do is create a bucket. A bucket is a place where it will hold all the files that you will upload. So I'm just going to call this FileMaker Backblaze. Create bucket. And now you have all this information regarding the bucket. So I'm just going to grab the bucket ID really quick and slap it in here. Paste. There we go. And next, you're going to need an app key, just so the FileMaker system has access to your Backblaze account. So I'm going to hit Add New Application Key. You can name the key whatever you want. I can just call it Backblaze FileMaker Key. And you want to make sure it has access to the bucket you are uploading to. So I'm just going to specify the one we just made. You want it to have read and write access. And the rest of this you don't really need. So I'm going to hit Create New Key. And as a warning, this dialog right here, this little blue box, will only show up once. It says it right here. So I'd recommend documenting all this stuff down. If you do lose it, you're going to have to recreate your key. So I'm going to grab this key ID. Key ID. Don't want that return in there. And we also are going to need this application key. And with that, you are another return. And with that, you're more or less ready to start uploading files to Backblaze. So I'm going to hit Authenticate, and if there's no errors, you can start uploading documents. So over here, I have a standard FileMaker documents portal where you can upload documents. The only difference is this will upload to Backblaze, so none of the files will be stored in your FileMaker file at all. So if I hit Add Document, I have these images prepared. So I have an image of a cat. And I also have an image of the FileMaker logo right here. So I'm going to upload this picture of a cat. And it may take a second the first time. So there we go, just standard documents portal. And if you hit Add Document, I'm going to upload the other one as well. So you'll see that both of the files uploaded. So this file size is what would have been stored in your FileMaker system, but is now stored on the cloud instead. So you are actually saving a lot of space here, especially if you have a lot of documents that you are uploading. So you can also see these on the Backblaze account. So over here on Backblaze, if I hit Browse Files and click this bucket, which is what we designated everything to be stored in, you can see the cat image I uploaded and the FileMaker logo I uploaded as well. So you can also download these from the Backblaze backend. So you have downloads, you can make new folders, you can move stuff around, stuff like that. And on the FileMaker file, if you need to download it, basically we have a little download button over here that just downloads the file off of Backblaze and then it opens it. So it pulled it up on my other monitor, but here is the cat. And same for the icon. If I try to download the icon, it just opens it up over here. And that's all there is to it. So if you would like to integrate your FileMaker file with Backblaze, feel free to reach out to us and we can help get that done for you. Thank you. Goodbye.